this can't be it. Tommy Corman lives here?
Corman? I thought you said Orman. You know, Chief Orman.
I didn't say Chief Orman. I said Tommy Corman, loud and clear. Come on. I fly for 2 goddamn days. I haven't slept. I can barely walk.
Mahaleo wakalea.
Mahaleo wakalea. Mahaleo wakalea, yeah.
That goes double for me, Chief. Look, there was a little mix-up here.
Waleo hokilani. Kabluna. Kabluna.
Kabluna.
Kablana.
Listen, Mahi, I don't have time for this horse shit.
Hey, Jack. No make insult for the chief, okay? This man get plenty influence in this place, you know.
Influence? He lives in a shack!
Of the seed in your heart.
Where's the bathroom?
You hear it call you.
Get out of here!
Come
Okay.